Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! A yellow ring is spinning in front of Peck Peck the Woodpecker's house. Stop, ring! A green ring has rolled. Peck Peck, do you have other rings? Ah, blue! Blue is beautiful. Hop Hop the owl rolls a purple ring. Oi! Hop Hop hid. Hop Hop, where are you? What ring did Hop Hop hide behind? The purple one. Hi! Look! A butterfly is flying towards us. The yellow butterfly sat on the yellow ring. Oh! The ring fell. Bam! Bam! Peck Peck really liked how the rings fell. Now they look like colored drums. Drums! Hop Hop brought his toy drum. Take the drumsticks, Peck Peck. Great concert! Birds, where are you going? What's this? It looks like the base of the pyramid. And this is the tip. It's heavy. We need to take the toy to Peck Peck's house and put the rings on the base of the pyramid. Hop Hop arrived driving an excavator with a manipulator. Good job! It's a strong excavator. Remove the toy. Lift the yellow ring. Lower it in place. Green ring. Blue. Purple. The rocket is ready to launch. The birds decided to launch the rocket from the swing. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! The rocket flies upwards. You can pick up the pyramid again. Hooray!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the Owl. This is Hop Hop the Owl's house. And this is a surprise for him. Hop Hop! Where are you? Can you see him? Come out! We've found you.
Hello!
Hello, little owl. We've got a surprise for you. It's on your window. Do you know what it is?
A flower?
No. When the wind blows, your flower starts spinning. It's a pinwheel.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
Go on, try it. Blow. Oh dear. Go and get the pinwheel. We'll repair it. The pinwheel has flown high up on the shelf. Hop Hop needs something to stand on. Well done! Look, Hop Hop is flapping his wings and the pinwheel is spinning.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
You're a bit like a pinwheel yourself, Hop Hop. It's time to show your new toy to Peck Peck. Where is he? There he is. Hello, Peck Peck the Woodpecker. It's a pinwheel. You need to blow on it. Peck Peck, try running. The pinwheel is turning again. Now it's Hop Hop's turn. Hop Hop is running very fast, and the pinwheel is spinning fast. Oh, little owl, are you tired? A motorbike! What's your idea, Hop Hop? Hop Hop has fixed the pinwheel to the motorcycle. The birds will ride on it, and the pinwheel will spin very fast. A pinwheel! What a wonderful toy!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. It's morning. Peck Peck the woodpecker is coming out of his house. Oh, a butterfly. Peck Peck, you look very smart. Hello! What's down there? It's an abacus. Do you want to play with it? The beads are spinning around. The abacus is making a sound, like a rattle. And how do you use an abacus properly? You don't know? Oh, you'll think of something. Peck Peck is riding on the abacus like a skateboard. And the snail is using the beads as a slide. Peck Peck wants to do it too. Whee! Did you enjoy it? Peck Peck, where are you off to? You want to ride on the beads down a big slide? That's dangerous. Hello, Hop Hop. Quick, save Peck Peck. Oh dear, oh dear! The abacus is broken.
Lots and lots of beads!
Now then, birds, you need to pick them up. 1,
2,
look for some more, birds.
3, 4.
Peck Peck has found a lot of beads. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, Peck Peck. Oh, the beads have gone everywhere. Let's thread them onto a string. It's ready. Hop Hop has threaded the rest of the beads onto a string.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And where is the 10th bead? Maybe it's behind the fir tree? Hop Hop has found the 10th bead. But so has Peck Peck. Oh, that's not a bead. It's a snail. Look, the beads on a thread look like a caterpillar or a worm.
Beads! Abacus!
Time to put the beads back on the abacus. Now you can count something. Berries, for example? Hop Hop has eaten 1 strawberry. 1. Peck Peck has 2 berries. 2. You birds are very good at counting.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hop Hop is exercising.
Whee!
Jump! Hop Hop is jumping in the ball pit. Hop Hop!
Hi!
Hello? Are you looking for your friend? Here he is, running! Peck Peck has also jumped into the ball pit. Now the birdies are playing together. Waves of balls. What's that?
Peck Peck!
Look, Peck Peck, a surprise. Oops! The surprise drowned. Get it, Hop Hop? Oh, now instead of a little owl swimming in the ball pit, there's a blob of balls swimming. Peck Peck is also looking for the orange surprise. Where did it go? Birdies? They found it! Birdies, do you know what you found?
A ball?
No, that's a ball. Peck Peck thinks it's a balloon. Does it look like one? Not really.
Grape?
No, a grape is small and edible. Bon appetit! Keep thinking. What is it? Have you guessed, Hop Hop? The owl turned on the tablet.
An egg!
That's right, Hop Hop. It's an egg. And in this egg, there lived a baby bird. Then the baby bird hatched and grew up. Mommy birds sit on the eggs, and then baby birds hatch out of the eggs. Where did your orange egg go? Peck Peck is sitting on it. You don't need to sit on toy eggs. Something's rattling inside. Let's just open it.
A boat!
Yes, there was a boat hidden in this toy egg. Let's put the boat into our sea of balls.
Toot toot!
Peck Peck is blowing and the boat is moving. What are those, birdies?